Hi friends, very good morning. Sastriyakal, Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Adavase. So as part of the lecture series of light and its application, today we are going to see the experimental number 1, which is mixing of light. This program was conducted under the Jigyasa Science Outreach Activities of OSA Student Chapter CSIO, SPY Student Chapter CSIO, IEEE Student Chapter CSIO, ACS Student Chapter CSIO. Myself, Dr. Vemuri SRS Praveen Kumar, PhD in Optical Thin Film Coatings, CSIR CSIO Chandigarh. So in this experimental section 1, we will understand what are primary colors and how these primary colors will be utilized to form new colors with mixing 1 to 1. So to understand the primary colors, we know that primary colors are red, green, blue. So in this lecture series, students will examine the primary colors of light, pigments, exploring the color subtraction process. What is pigment? Pigment is a material that changes the color of reflected or transmitted light as a result of wavelength. Pigment is a small kind of material in which the color can be reflect or transmit as a result of wavelength selective absorption. The physical process from the differs from the fluorescence, phosphorescence and other forms of the luminescence. So in this mixing of colors light, we will understand how the colors will be reflect if we mix two colors, or how the colors will be transmit if we mix two colors. So to understand this kind of phenomena, we have to understand the basic background and misconception how the people will explains. So in general, white light consists of three different colors, that are red, green, blue. So these three colors are known as primary colors. So by mixing of these three colors in varying proportion, it can be generated to form any other kind of color of light. That can be of one or in different forms of color variations we can see. So pigment, we have already understand what is pigment. Pigment is a material in which the color can be reflected or transmitted as a phenomena of wavelength of light selective absorption. So all compounds that subtract light are absorbed to get reflect the certain colors. When white light shine, suppose if a white light was shine on a object, it will look like black. That means all other colors will be absorbed and no light will be reflected. Try to understand this, children. Why when the white light shine on something that appears as a black, so that means what it is happening, all the amount of light it is absorbing and no other light is reflected. So this is why the pigment forms into the matter. So similarly, if red color light is falling on a surface of the pigment, it absorbs other colors of light except the red. So that's why the red color is looking as red. Similarly, in the primary colors, if we shine the green light, only the green color light will be reflect and other colors light will be absorbed. As a result, primary color of pigments are different from the primary colors of light. Primary colors of pigments such as cyan, magenta, yellow. Primary colors of light are red, green, blue. So this is the difference between colors of light and colors of pigments. Colors of pigments are cyan, magenta, yellow, whereas primary colors of light are red, green, blue. Cyan is reflecting by absorbing the light of green and blue. So therefore, cyan and yellow pigments absorb red and blue light with green light is remaining to reflect. On another hand, cyan pigment will only absorb the red light, leaving green and blue light. So on to mix, there was a, you can see the cyan light. So from this uh, color combination and pigment subtraction, one can understand cyan colored dot absorbs red light and it remains green and blue. Similarly, magenta colored dot absorbs green light and remains red and blue. As so on, orange colored dot absorbs blue light and remains red and green. So once after this understanding, people do so many kinds of color combination with paints, like dark yellow plus red results to orange, yellow plus blue results to green, orange plus green results to salad green, as so on. Various kinds of examples are seen in this slide. So once after all these kind of combinations, people can get something to curious about how the mixing of colors will be forms to different color kind of combinations. In this particular slide, we can see the experimental video how the color combination process will be taken place. So for that, we required some kind of experimental tools like blocks, means there we can require three different kinds of LED lamps or LED lights such as red, green, blue, and paper plate like using white color paper, aluminum foil is and ruler. It might be useful. Now we can see a small video on mixing of colors. So in this mixing of color generation, if you see this particular madam was explaining about the mixing of color generation. For this, a roller is there, a particular source of LED lamps of green, red, blue and white board. So if you see here, ma'am was shining in such a manner. The red light was shined on a whiteboard with a varying intensity. So this is the red light. If this red light was shined with varying intensity and now the green light was falling on the whiteboard in a very slowly manner. So you can see the color combination how the results of red and green results to yellow. In similar, if we shine the blue light, it results the cyan color and magenta color of the combinations. If all the three combination comes by white color. So this is the a simple experiment. We can understand how the mixing of colors can be generate the white color light and as well as cyan, magenta, yellow can be seen through this particular video section. So once after understanding the principles and background information of mixing of colors, I request students to understand and to form answers for this kind of questions. How do colors use see change when viewed through filters? How does the light in a room change how we see different pigments? What causes the way we see colors to change? Explain why a color such as red appears red. Why do some colors appear black through filters? Explain what is happening. By viewing this lecture and the experiment, what color of light does the following observe? Cyan observes dash, magenta observes dash color, and yellow observes dash color. Based upon your answer number 3, explain why cyan and yellow are combined to produce a green pigment. So these questions and answers can be viewed from this kind of reference materials from the VOSA outreach activities as well as Google. We can get the answers. Thanking you friends. Myself, Dr. Vemuri S.R.S. Praveen Kumar. If you understand and like this video, thanks.